Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play a simple version of B minor over F sharp. B minor over F sharp. So let's get started. Okay, this is a sound of B minor over F sharp. To play this chord, you place finger number 1 on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 4th fret, and then finger number 4 on string number 3 of the 4th fret, and you want to strum the bottom 4 strings. B minor over F sharp. To play B minor, you would just simply move this finger down 1 and play the bottom 3 strings. But you can move this 3rd finger up 1 string, which is the F sharp, and then place your little finger on that string number 3 and play the bottom 4 strings. Have a much fuller sound. A whole lot easier than playing the bar. Just a simplified version. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. Appreciate you and have a great day. God bless you.